Here we have two authentic Colt Walker Revolvers, 2 of 1,000 ever made, which makes them rare and special and highly sought after for gun collectors. They were made in 1847, and they were made to be used in the American and Mexican War. They are highly engraved in the metal as well as in the wood. This particular one, in the cylinder, you can see a depiction of a American Indian and cavalry war or battle. Also in the cylinder, you find engraved the model and its patent number, number 770. Also in this particular revolver, each piece contains its serial number, 1770. As you can see here. You can also see it right here. As you can see, the handle here, this is silver, a Mexican silver eagle, and a gold flower. On the other side, you find the word Cavalry engraved. Its companion gun, also with a Mexican eagle, silver, and gold flower. The cylinder as well is engraved, and it's got its patent number, 105. And this particular gun, it was issued as a military weapon, D Company number 105, which reflects on the cylinder as well, 105. Also, we find its patent name, which was patented by Sam Colt, or Samuel Colt, address Sam Colt, New York City. We also have, along with these companion of revolvers, its holsters, which are made out of buffalo hide and have brass fittings. These holsters also have the covers, top covers. Not every revolver had top covers. And it has its original buffalo hairs on them, which is also rare. For more information about these revolvers, you can contact the website or contact this email for more expanded history about these revolvers.